Hello, hi, I'm Ellie from littlefingersatwork.com. Today I'm going to talk to you about baking with your toddlers and what are the positive outcomes of it. So before I go ahead with my video, let me tell you how my baking journey started. I made my first cake on a Christmas evening and that was a complete disaster because I did not know the nuances of baking at that point in time. But today I've come in a long way from there and I can make decent cakes and cupcakes for my family. But with the toddler into the picture, I was not getting that kind of time to bake. But when my toddler wanted to be independent and do things on his own, I thought, why don't we bake together? So that was a brilliant idea. So why should you bake with your toddler? Apart from your passion for baking and apart from your craving to eat a yummy cake, there are so many other learning opportunities for your toddler when they bake. What are they? They indirectly learn all the math concepts. They learn to count when you say that you need 2 eggs for it. They also learn about fractions when you say that you need half a slice of butter for this cake. They also learn about measurements when you say that I would have to use 1 cup of flour. And they also learn about time when you say that the cake has to go into the oven for 45 minutes. And they also learn about sequencing where they learn that the first step is to beat the butter and the sugar and the next step is to add the eggs. And they also work on their pre-writing skills when they bake. Where they put their hand and their wrist muscles into work when they beat a cake. When the butter is especially hard, they put in a lot of resistance to beat the butter and the sugar. They also get to roll the cookie dough and they also get to cut the cookie shapes, and also they could place the cookie shapes on the baking tray from a left to right, like how you write. They also get to work on their organizational skills, like how an adult prepares himself before he works on an artwork. Like he gets all of his art supplies ready, his brush, his pencils and everything ready before he works on his piece. The same way you can prepare your child to get all the baking essentials and all the ingredients ready before he starts to bake. That kind of organizational skills could be started early. Also, it is an awesome way to learn all the practical life skills. You could ask him to wash his hands before and after the baking. You could ask him to stir the butter. You could show him how to crack the eggs. You can show him how to dry pour the ingredients, and you could also show him how to clean the kitchen counter once all your work is done. This is one of the wonderful sensory learning when they bake together. They see all the ingredients, they use their hands to touch the batter, they smell the cake when it is in the oven, they also get to hear the beater sound when they beat the butter. So they put in all the 5 senses into use. Also, they learn about science. Yes, science. They learn that certain things changes its states, like a solid piece of butter could melt and become into a creamy substance. The sugar particles which were there is now nowhere to be seen. Above all these things, there's something else which is very, very important. They get that sense of accomplishment when they get to do such things. They understand that their contributions matter to you and how much happy you are. Now that you're all set to bake a cake, please go through the safety list which I put on my blog post. The link is on the description box below. And if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.